smoke coming from my car. Please help. Don't worry, let me have a look. First, let's see what's going wrong. The problems have all been identified. Let's start fixing. The wire is broken. Let's fix it. Ahem! Blow away the black smoke quickly. Connect the wire to corresponding position. Pour liquid into the correct tank. Install the gear and the car can get started. Wow! It's fixed! Great job! There are a lot of trash in the car. Let's clean it up. Trash should be thrown in the waste bin. Vacuum the paper scraps. The air conditioner is so dirty. Let's wipe it clean. Place pretty decorations in the car. We are done with cleaning up. It looks great! The tire is flat. Let's change a new one. Let's jack up the car. Take off screws and remove the broken tire. Then put on the new tire. Install new screws and fasten the new tire. Not this one. Give it another try. The tire has been properly installed. Next, let's pump it up. The tire has been replaced. Great job! Great! It's all repaired. Last, let's decorate the car. My favorite car is fixed. Thank you so much. Be aware to stop at red light and go at green. Take it easy when the yellow light is on.